Hello learners, welcome to your favorite e-learning platform Pathshala. I am Savita Chauhan, your mathematics mentor. Let's just start a new chapter today called as circles. So you already have studied in the class 9th about this circle, that actually a circle is nothing but a collection of all the points in the plane which are at a constant distance, which is nothing but called as a radius, from a fixed point which is actually called as the center of the circle. So since you can see from this particular circle that this circle is actually a collection of all the points. These are nothing but all the points in this particular circle. So we can say a circle is a collection of all these points that are lying in a plane which are at a constant distance. If I am just talking about the distance of this particular point, fixed point from this point, or if I'll draw these distances in such a manner, then you can see all these distances which are called as nothing but the radius are equal to each other. So whenever we are talking about the collection of the points that are lying in a plane which are at a constant distance from a fixed point, this is the fixed point which is called as the center, then that collection always forms a circle. So we know about this particular fact, and moreover we also know about some of the terms that are related with the circles, that what is a chord or what is a sector or a segment, and many such other terms that are related with a circle. Now for this particular chapter, we will start with the different situations that can arise when we have a particular line and a circle. So let us suppose if I am just taking a line and a circle in a plane, then the three possibilities can arise. Either the line PQ can be of this particular formation with this circle, since you can see over here, this is my line, this is my circle, this is my first possibility that they can lie in a particular plane in such a manner. The second condition would be like this line can intersect this circle at the 2 points, at the 2 common points. You can see over here that this particular line PQ is actually intersecting this circle in a plane at 2 common points, which is A and B. Now the third situation or the possibility can be like this line can intersect this circle at only 1 point, which is nothing but this point A. Now what are these situations called as? In the very first situation, we can call this situation as a non-intersecting one. As you can see, these two are not intersecting with each other, so it means that this situation is actually a non-intersecting one. But if I'm just talking about the second situation, then I can say that this PQ do have 2 common points with the circle, which implies that it is nothing but a secant. This is nothing but a secant. We definitely know about a secant. That secant is actually a line which is intersecting or which intersects the circle at exactly 2 points. So it is exactly intersecting the circle at 2 points. So this PQ is nothing but a secant. Now what is this PQ line with this particular circle? Since we know that this PQ is actually intersecting this circle at only 1 point, at exactly 1 point. Whenever any line will intersect the circle at exactly 1 point, it is called as nothing but a tangent. It is nothing but called as a tangent. So if we have a line and a circle in a given plane, then the 3 possibilities can arise, that either they can be non-intersecting, either we will get a secant, or either we will get a tangent. So let us suppose if I'll just relate this particular situation with the real life. So let us suppose if I'm just talking about a pulley. As you have seen a pulley which is fitted over a well in such a formation, in which you can see that the rope is actually on both sides of the pulley. So you can see over here, the rope is actually on both sides, on this side as well as on this side of this pulley, which is existing as a ray, and we can also call them as nothing but the tangent. We can also call them as nothing but the tangent to this particular circle, which is actually existing as a pulley, over here. So this is nothing but how we can start our chapter, because in this chapter now we will talk about the existence of the tangent to the circle and some of the properties that are related with the tangent. So let's just start with the tangents.